Hey guys, what up, and welcome back to Crazy Place. How are you guys doing? I hope that I'm recording right now, that to like properly. But yeah, so today's video is basically gonna be me telling you a whole bunch of different Enderman XP farms. So here's the first one. So for the first one, basically you just have an Endermite over here. You know, the Endermen spawn in, they get attracted to the Endermite. So like even if they're on this side and they like get attracted over here, yeah, like you can see it working right now. All those are going. So like instead of going through, they'll get damaged by the water, so they'll have to go around. They like make their way around and then they jump down. So this is the first XP farm out of them all. And guys, today I'm actually recording on Xbox Game Bar, which is barely taking any of my CPU. So I'm actually able to record in like my games at like 30 FPS smooth, which is low, but I guess it's pretty good for me because in OBS I have to turn my settings, video settings and stuff all the way down. But yeah, this is probably one of the least efficient farms. I think it's around 11 minutes with a sweeping edge 3 sword. But then again, I also didn't build it the most efficient way. But even if you do build it in the efficient way, it will still take you around 11 minutes to get to level 30. So now let's just see if I can find the second farm that I built, which is easier to build and more efficient actually. But I mean, still not very efficient. It's like I think 6 minutes to get to level 30. But yeah, they basically spawn in. There's an endermite right there, and they'll just fall down. This is a very basic one, and I've let it go for like a few minutes. So you know, quite a lot of endermen have spawned in, and I made it just the exact amount of deepness so that I can one hit them. Now, guys, today what happened was why I switched to Xbox Game Bar was I'm so mad at OBS because my recording file didn't get, and I hope that this recording file gets saved. Now I'll just take my to the last farm in the video. So yeah, best out of the three pretty much. Look at that. You can already see the farm right there. That's like the most best farm. The XP farm in the entire game. Look at that. The endermen start spawning. They drop. Again, another one hit farm. But instead of 6 or 11 minutes, in this 1 minute, you can get up to level 33 with a sweeping edge 3 sword. That's how good this is. So yeah, the best Enderman XP farm. I don't know even why I'm comparing the other ones, but yeah, I can literally just start keep hitting them again and again and again, and my game's actually lagging because there are so many Endermen. So guys, just wait. I'm gonna make a sweeping 3 sword, and I'll show you how good this is. So yeah, and guys, guess what I named the Endermite? Subscribe is exactly what you should do. I love doing this. I always throw in like a subscribe or something at the end. It's just funny, I guess, or whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go into survival now. Just look at this. Look at how much XP there is. And this is about to be full with end pearls just in this much amount of time. And I actually was making a tutorial already. Again, man, OBS failed me. I'm never using OBS. I just fell into the void. Come on, I just fell in the void. Okay. But I'm gonna way over to the portal. Oh, see, it's right there. Back home. But yeah, guys, just knew how to make that sentiment farm, but in a more basic. Actually, put some and okay, I guess my game's lagging. Yo, I'm literally on like 40 FPS. Okay, well, lag spike. My game just froze. My game just froze. But no, seriously, I'm actually on 40 FPS. Oh, well, 30 now. Like around 30 on average. Sometimes it goes up to like 40-ish. Oh, why isn't the chunk loading? Okay, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, I gotta turn on fast render, don't I? I have it off because when I was recording with OBS, I have to everything as low as. Am I getting? What is happening? Okay, there you go. Everything's back to normal. But yeah, so first you need to go like all the way down to y1. So the way to do that is it's actually really simple to get to y1. It's a little bit dangerous building like that, but basically you're just gonna take a lava bucket, put it over here. It's gonna flow down. Wait for it to get all the way down there. Then you place a water bucket right besides it, and then it'll go down. Then you can like flow down on the water bucket. You can like just keep flowing on the water bucket, and then when you're like about here, you can just like keep going up and down and up and down and up and down, and then just place a block and then jump onto this block. Then like just build a few blocks out. Then you can just place the ladders there. Then you need to go at least 128 blocks out. And I think it's like 130, 135 blocks out. So I kind of messed up there. But it actually is working better than when I made it 128 blocks out. Like, yo. So yeah, this is like 130 blocks out. Now here you just want to build a basic 9 by 9. Then you want to make a big like 3 by 3 in the middle. Then you're gonna place 9 hoppers, and then you're gonna place a chest. Now this chest is gonna get full. So what I recommend you doing is you should just take the hoppers out, then keep a dropper or a dispenser over here, and then like have some type of a redstone signal that'll just stay there and like keep powering it. So one way of doing that is one observer, two observers facing at each other, but there's going to be a one block gap between them. Okay, then you want to keep then you want to keep a piston behind one of the observers, and like when you just push it, it'll just give out a redstone signal, and over here you can have your dispenser or dropper. So yeah, that's a good way of getting rid of the ender pearls. That is exactly what we have done in the Priyansa Pro server, on which I have built this one before. So yeah, now then you want to build another like after that you just want to build like this little 5 by 5 thing in the middle on here, like with a 3 by 3 gap between it. Then you just want to have this like carpet 2 layers, except for where we have that 5 by 5 block gap thingy. Then you just want to continue that up to y44. And guys, I'm so mad that I was not able to upload the full tutorial of this. But if you want to make this farm, I will leave a link in the description to a video by Shulkercraft, who is pretty much my favorite YouTuber to make farms. So yeah. Then you have some trapdoors over here, and this is a 31 by 31 platform. So yeah, you have the trapdoors just so that the endermen don't think that it's an actual, so that like they'll think that it's an actual block, but they'll just fall off. I don't know why that one wasn't going, and I don't know why they're not spawning right now. Seriously. But yeah, up here I just have a endermite, and I've name tagged him to, what did I name him? I guess we'll never know. Wait, did I forget to name him? If I did, I should probably name him right now. I'm gonna actually do that. But yeah, this took me around an hour to build. Not only because I built it before, it's actually way easier to build than I thought. I thought that it's like really, really hard to build. It's actually really easy. Last time the only problem that I had was with the endermite. But yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna just name this like no comments. Okay, yeah, let's name this guy. You know what? I'm just gonna show you how to spawn in an endermite. So you're free to go. Just die to them. They'll just let them kill you or whatever. But yeah, so basically to spawn in an endermite, I don't need 64 rails. Bam bam. Now what I need is ender pearls. I'm literally grabbing ender pearls from a creative menu, even though there's a big old enderman farm right beneath me. And this gives a lot of ender pearls. I've told you that already. That's why I recommend building the dispenser thing. And guys, tell me if the Xbox Game Bar is good. I don't know how to put a face cam on Xbox Game Bar. So if any of you know, please tell me, because I would love to have a face cam on this. Because I'm starting to use a face cam a lot. This is absolutely awesome. And dude, this is so good for performance. Like literally taking barely any CPU and barely any RAM. I am actually running my game smoothly for the first ever time. I actually think that I might be able to post on Minecraft content. I literally stopped doing Minecraft content. One of the biggest reasons, and pretty much the only reason for that, was because like OBS, nah man, way too much CPU power. I don't know why, at least on my PC. For other people, not so much, but for me, yes, a lot. So yeah, let me just check. This is the block. So now what I'm gonna do is, so that's the block where the endermite is supposed to be at. What I'm gonna do is, I just need to place a rail over here. Then I'm gonna start throwing ender pearls. Just waiting for one of these bad boys to spawn in. Come on, endermite, I know that you want to spawn right now. And you cannot use spawn eggs or summon, I'm pretty sure, to do it. Spawn eggs don't work. I'm not sure about summon. You guys should try it out and tell me. But yeah, if you try spawn eggs, it will not work. They will not get angry towards the endermite that way. So yeah. Okay, wait. So I'm gonna just name tag him. Put that down. Put that down. Try and get him in. He's like nodding. He doesn't want to get in. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna seal it off. I'm just gonna do this real quick. So wait, when I break this block, he should just fall down. There you go. Now you need to build that, and then you're gonna place carpet on top. I didn't do that for the other farms because I literally just forgot. But yeah, if you do that, it'll like not fall off, because once it actually fell off, I don't know how, but yeah. And why aren't Endermen actually spawning right now? Okay, I guess when I went to top, they weren't spawning. Now they are. That's great. So yeah, pretty much the best XP farm in the game. I've told you that already. Not only the best Enderman XP farm, I actually think that it's the best XP farm in the game. That's probably my favorite XP farm. I mean, it does take time to build, but it's worth it for sure. It's worth it 1000%. But yeah, guys, comment down if you like this video or not. Please leave a like if you did like this video, and also like start giving me a little bit more feedback on my videos. I don't really get that many comments and stuff. And also like you guys can do a lot more than that. Maybe subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So I think like 25% of my viewers aren't subscribed yet. So yeah, oh well, are subscribed. Aren't subscribed is more than 25%. Wait, what am I even saying? 25% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed. The rest are not. Oh my god, I just twisted my own tongue. So yeah. Oh wait, look at this farm work. Huh. It's still not that good though. It'll take like 10 to 11 minutes. I did build it a little bit more optimized. So this is not supposed to be like a one punch one, but I made it into a one punch one just because it really helps out. So yeah, this is a little bit better of a design. Yeah, and just like kind of experiment with how many blocks you needed for it to be a one punch design. Like how many blocks they need to fall. Because even if they fall from one more block, they will die straight up. So yeah. But yeah, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please leave a like if you did. I can't say it enough. I don't know why. But and I also want to start uploading more content because Xbox Game Pass is actually working out pretty good, and this will record up to 4 hour video, so that's what I like set it to in settings. And this video should be like 60 FPS. So I don't know what's gonna happen to this video, and I hope that it's 1080p as well, because uh OBS was not 1080p. And this is straight from the desktop as well. It's like straight from Windows. So yeah, guys, stay good and leave a link for the big farm, the one that I showed you with the one that I said was the best one. But if I had to, you know what, let's rate each and every single one of the farms. So if I were to rate this farm, I would give it like a 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 stars. Just because it's a lot more work. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get this actually. Oh, you just break. Wait, what? I just broke it. Um, this should. I know you can't actually get a dragon egg from creative. There can only be one dragon egg in the world. You know what? I'm gonna break this obsidian real quick. Let's just do that. There you go. But yeah, guys. So let's rate this. So this is 3 out of 5, just because it's pretty hard to make, and it's not really that good. The one that we're gonna go to next, the other one, I didn't really show that much, but that's like a better version of it, and it's way easier to make, like literally way easier to make. That took me maximum like 10-20 minutes in creative, so in survival like half an hour. But yeah, this is definitely way more optimized, and I forgot to put carpet on here as well. Okay, I always forget to put carpet. Why do I always forget to put carpet? Okay, come on. You know what? I'm just gonna do that later. But yeah, pretty much the easiest design for like being this good. Like if you want it to be better, you cannot go off with this easy of a design. And there are a few more Enderman designs as well, which are also at Y1. But I didn't just have the time to build that. These were like very small. That's why I had the time, so I did it. Or I probably wouldn't have. But yeah. So that gets like a 3.5 or 4 out of 5. Just because it's better, it's even easier, and it's a little bit better, like in quality that it produces. And that farm right there, I'd have to give it another 4 out of 5. Hard to build. It's definitely hard to build. But it's so much XP. I feel like it's worth it. You know, just because it's worth it, 5 out of 5. I don't care what you say. This is the best XP farm in the entire game. Unless if you have like a full-on gold XP farm, which is way harder to build than this. Actually, want to build this in Priyansa Pro server, like a gold XP farm. So yeah, guys, comment down below if I should make videos on the Priyansa Pro server, because I still play on the server. I just don't make videos on them because I have made videos in the past. But yeah, guys, so that was pretty much it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed making this video. And you know what? Let's do a proper outro, guys. And this is my skin from now on, by the way. I'll leave a link. You know what? I won't leave a link to the skin. Let's just end the video at this point. So yeah, guys. Bye. Bye. Okay, why is the video not ending yet? You know what, guys?